the aftermath of Operation Sindoor, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has sounded a high alert, urging border states to prepare for possible retaliatory strikes from Pakistan. From small arms fire to heavy artillery, Pakistan targeted the civilian population residing near the line of control. As the border assault intensified, claiming innocent lives, India has begun training its citizens through mock drills and emergency protocols. India isn't waiting, it's preparing its people to stand strong when danger strikes, as the nation braces for the unexpected. To ensure smooth communication and rapid response during attacks, the government has set up 24/7 control rooms across Jammu. As tensions rise, areas like Uri and Tangdar have come under intense artillery fire, but Poonch has suffered the worst. For the first time since the 1971 India-Pakistan war, Poonch saw artillery shells hit residential areas, government buildings and public spaces. The nationwide civil defense mock drills ordered by the central government are preparing states to respond to potential hostile attacks amid rising threats. Scenes of loud sirens, people rushing to shelters, and injured victims being carried away played out across the country during these high-intensity drills. A total of 244 districts took part, focusing on civilian response training, blackout procedures, protection of critical infrastructure, civil defense readiness, and evacuation protocols. If a war siren sounds, citizens are advised to leave open areas immediately and take shelter indoors. They should seek cover in buildings with strong walls or basements and stay alert by following official updates on TV, radio, or government apps. In moments like these, it's crucial to follow instructions given by the Indian government, as fake news and misinformation can spread quickly. At least 21 airports in northern and western India, close to the Pakistan border, have been shut down as a precautionary measure. Airports in Srinagar, Leh, Jammu, Amritsar, Pathankot, Chandigarh, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Shimla, Dharamshala and Jamnagar will remain closed for now. Due to airspace restrictions, over 300 flights have been cancelled so far, with disruptions expected to continue until May 10th. India shares a 3,323-kilometer long border with Pakistan, one of the most dangerous, heavily guarded, and geopolitically sensitive frontiers in the world. The last time war sirens echoed across the nation was in 1971. Now, as India gets ready for a possible war-like situation, its main goal is to stay calm, not get provoked by Pakistan's actions, and focus only on stopping the terrorists while protecting the country and its people.